In this video, I am going to show you 7 ways to get your first order on Fiverr. If you're wondering how to get your first order on Fiverr, getting your first one on Fiverr can be tricky for individual sellers. Indeed, this is, by all accounts, more troublesome than ever with the increasing number of new sellers joining the platform. However, does that mean you should surrender? No way. What's more, what you generally need to think about how to get your first client on Fiverr is that a similar cycle can be rehashed to discover more clients in the future. 1. Provide a unique service. There are competitors in any field, and having competitors is essential for new things that are being built in the field. So, if you can give a unique service that your competitors still do not provide, you are on point to winning the competition. Competition always depends on competitors and the demand in the field. So, when you provide a unique service on Fiverr, you are most likely to get your first order quickly than others. 2. Promote your gig on social media. Social media is the best place to promote anything you need. So, sharing your gig on social media will help get your first order quickly, because there are so many business owners looking to hire freelancers. But the complication is that no one can trust you by sharing a link. So, try to create business pages on social media or post your projects on every page. Create a portfolio, join groups that are related to your niche, contact competitors and ask them to collaborate, and build an audience to convert them to buyers. 3. Start at a low price. Here is one of the best tips that I can give you as per my experience to get the first client quickly from Fiverr. As a freelancer, I know that all the sellers struggle to get their first order, but many of them do not prefer to provide their services at low prices. At that time, sellers who desire to get an order in any way will take that benefit. So, set a logical and low price for your services at first to get your first order. 4. Gig images and videos. The gig images or videos is the buyer's first impression, so if you can make an eye-catchy and smoothly, the probability of receiving an order increases directly. But unfortunately, sellers do not pay more attention to their gig images or videos. Maybe you made this mistake too, so go ahead and show them the best images and videos for your gig. 5. Excellent gig description. The second impression of the buyer is gig description. Whatever you do, attempt to be extraordinary and straightforward in your gig description. 6. Be active often. Being active on any platform will provide to gain more opportunities from the platform. And it is not hard to be active on Fiverr because there is a mobile application to install and use on your smartphone. 7. Send buyer requests. Lastly, the most important thing is the buyer requests to get your first client as a Fiverr freelancer. You have just 10 chances to send buyer requests per day, and it is enough for experienced sellers, but as a beginner, many sellers make a big mistake in sending buyers requests. Furthermore, be sure to add a price lower than the buyer's budget in your offer, and send the offers to those who have already received fewer offers. Sometimes you cannot see any buyer requests on the buy request tab. And that's it, guys. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next one.